Today I'm going to show you something that I use React to make some design purpose. Here is my everything. Here is index.html, and here is my source file, and I try to make different thing: app.css, app.jsx. Here is some function that I used. Here is index.css. Here is a lot of things that I make, different function call, and here is main.jsx something. When I open assist file, then here is some component that I make. Here is country component, one thing, or another is country. First of all, I want to show you countries file. Here is something. Here is some function that I make, and first of all we need to import some React user state that I called. Here is some function, use effect, event handler, and everything. Here is country CSS file that I make. Here is also another file, country.jsx. Here is I input something that I make my design reliable and dynamic and also user friendly. So let's go my design visiting. Okay, the main design is here, and I also do live server to use Netlify. Here is my live server, netlify.com. If I click make visited, then it's called you visit I don't know, Grinda. If you click at flag, then you can see my flag already here. If you click another flag, then you can show here is my another flag. If you click going, then the file path will be changed and color is be visible. If you click visited again, then you can see the color is removed. So that's it. Here is my full file that I make. Lot of things here. So that's it. Thank you.